As if Mother Nature hadn't already amazed us enough with the drive across the Cherohala Skyway, she was fixing to show off yet again with another epic destination. About 6 miles east of Tellico Plains on the Cherohala Skyway, you'll come to a Forest Service information sign which is going to point you in the direction of the Bald River Falls. So just hang a turn there onto Forest Service Road 210 and, well, as you see, you're going to immediately find yourself following the Tellico River. And you want to talk about beautiful, clear, absolutely freezing cold water this time of the year, but I can only imagine during the summer that this place is phenomenal. And I can quite imagine that there's probably a lot of people here that are enjoying the swimming holes along the river here. Nevertheless, just keep following the road here. Like I say, we're just paralleling right down the side of the Tellico River. It's about 6 to 6.5 miles back here to the falls. So I'm just going to sit back and I'm going to let you enjoy the drive as we make our way towards the Bald River Falls. Welcome to the Bald River Falls. Now, right below us here underneath the bridge is where the Bald River and the Tellico River join together. Now, the falls are reported to be somewhere between 80 to 100 feet high, depending on the water level and the time of the year that you come. And if you really want to hike all the way to the very top of the falls, well, there's a trail right down here off the edge of the parking lot, and it's about 5.5 miles up to the very start of the top of the falls. But for me today, it's as good enough to just stand right here on the bridge and enjoy the spectacular scenery. And as you can see, the falls are still froze over as, well, it is still very chilly. Thanks for coming along, guys. And, well, we'll see you on the next one.